In this lesson, you will learn how to take decimals and turn them into fractions. Let's start with something easy. We're going to go with 0.25. Now, the way you turn this into a fraction is you draw a line underneath, you put a 1 for the decimal, and then you put a 0 for each of the numbers. Then you just ignore the decimal. Now you have a fraction that you can simplify. We'll divide top and bottom by 25. And that works out to be 25 divided by 25 is 1, and 100 divided by 25 is 4, which of course you would normally write this way because it's quicker and easier. And that'll give you 1 over 4. All right, so try 0.75. You want to convert that to a fraction. Pause the video now while you think about it, and then come back for the answer. The answer to that is 3 over 4. Did you get it? Good for you. If you didn't, just go back and watch again, see the patterns, and try again.